How to add pictures on TikTok comments. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to comment on somebody's post by a photo, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, head over to your TikTok app. After you've opened TikTok, go to the comments over here. Now, if you want to comment something, over here you can see a pictures icon. Click on it. Then you'll see all the photos of your camera roll, and you can also select the album from which you want to send it. Now just click on a photo. Then you can also write something above the photo, or you can simply not write anything. And after you've done it, just click on this arrow right here. Then your comment will be uploaded to TikTok. So this is how you can comment on TikTok by using pictures. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.